Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite girl, Joy Special. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you step-by-step process on how to make abacha. In my local language, it is called eberebe or Mmiri, whatever you call it in your language, okay? So right inside the pot, we have some cassava. For you to make this cassava flakes, you need your raw cassava from the farm, fresh, inside the pot, and you pour. Make sure it is covered with enough water, and we're going to be cooking this in the firewood, okay? You don't need gas for the cooking. It's going to take a short time. Within 10 to 15 minutes we are going to check it, okay? So guys, we'll go ahead to check whether the cassava is done or maybe it is ready. Okay, the first thing you will do is to bring out one, use your knife and divide it into two. When you divide it into two, you will know whether it is done or whether you're still going to cook it for a while before you start the process, okay? But make sure you cook. Some cassava don't need long cooking, okay? Some need just 15 to 10 minutes. They are done and they are ready, okay? So guys, we are going to allow the cassava to cool for a short time before peeling it, okay? After, for like 10 to 15 minutes, allow it to cool, then you peel it. After peeling it, then you will start this process, okay? So guys, if you don't want to make use of this particular grater, I think you can also use your kitchen knife in cutting it. Like Owerri people where I'm married to, they don't use this grater for their abacha. They normally use knife in cutting their own, and their own is usually big, okay? But this is the way we'll do it in my father's land. This is how we do it, okay? My father's place, or let's say in my village, I don't know. This is how we do it. This is the process. But if you don't have this grater, or maybe you don't want to work with this grater, you can make use of your kitchen knife, okay? Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you are watching this video to this point and you have not thumbs up this video, my sister, my brother, please give this little girl a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, okay? We share amazing recipes, we share amazing vlogs, amazing things in this channel. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. On the process of doing this, if you notice that the abacha is in your hand, get a red oil and rub it right around your palms, and your palms will be free and you will continue the process, okay? So guys, here we go. The abacha is right inside the bucket and covered with a hot water. Boil your water, make sure the water is very hot, and pour it into the abacha. Allow it to rest till the next day, then we'll go into the next process, okay?
The next morning.
I know some people usually take their own to the stream. For people that have stream in their village, some people usually take their own to the stream and allow it to sit for the next day. Please tell me in the comment section how you prepare or how you process this abacha in your village. Do you wash it at home, or maybe you take it to the stream to wash it, okay? Let me know in the comment section. So the first thing I do the next day is to remove the abacha. We use a strainer or a basket and remove the abacha from the water I used in soaking it overnight. Then I'm going to add a clean water into the bucket and I will start the washing process. I can't remember the last time I did this. So continue doing this for like 2 or 3
water gets clean, then you know that the abacha is ready. Some people do take their own to the stream. People that have stream, in my village, we don't actually have a big stream that take our abacha. So this is the washing process. We're going to repeat this. This is not for the food. We're going to put it into the basket before we wash. You can dry this. If you don't want to eat it like this, you can sun dry it. Add a little salt and sun dry it. Enjoy with your groundnuts. This is the fun staying in the village. You want to buy this thing in town, it's a big money. But if you're in the village, it's just a free gift. So you're going to repeat this process for like 4 to 5 times. This is going to consume a lot of water. You don't have water in your village. You don't have water at all. This water. So I will add in water, repeat the washing process again. I will add in water here. I will repeat the washing process. I think the best way of washing this abacha is going to the stream. If you have a stream in your village, the best way of washing this is. So like I was saying, the best way of washing this is taking it to the stream so that you will have enough water to wash it. Like doing this in the house will consume a lot of water. If you don't have borehole in your house, I'm sorry, one hand. So we're going to repeat the process for like 4 times. I will continue washing it until everything comes out. Enjoy it with your bottle groundnut. Or with your wak. Can enjoy this with your wak.
English now.
Until the abacha is well cooked. Like I said, you're going to repeat this process 4 to 5 times before you're sure of the abacha, okay? I'm going to be doing this repeatedly. This is the abacha. I'm done washing the abacha. I washed it like I washed it for like 4 to 5 times, so it is ready. So what I will do now is to transfer it into the bucket, then I will add clean water. If you want to prepare it with your so it is ready. If you don't want to eat it like this, you can sun dry it and add it a little salt. If you add it a little salt and sun dry it, you can store it for future purpose. If you don't want to finish it immediately, you can store it. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate you. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share this video if you can share this video. I think we have come to the end of this process of making abacha from scratch. Okay, you can see it is ready. You can eat it with your groundnuts, or your bean, fruits, oba, or you can sun dry it and store it for future purpose. Okay, thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.